SUEZ WTS has over 30,000 customers in every industry you can think of. Every industry uses water, whether you're a car maker, whether you produce semiconductor chips, whether you create food. Our mission as SUEZ WTS is to provide our customers with world-class solutions to treat their water, and Nintex plays an important role in us achieving that goal of maintaining and optimally using these natural resources.
Before SUEZ, we used to be part of GE. GE was a very process-centered company. We had 400 workflows on a global level. So we were told that we were becoming part of SUEZ and that we have 18 months to transition those 400 workflows onto a completely new platform and make it work.
Under an enormous time pressure, we basically had to lift and shift everything we had onto a new platform without disrupting the business. That was our #1 requirement.
It's technically not possible, because when you see the number of workflows, it means that we have to migrate almost one workflow per day. It's almost impossible.
Thanks to a lot of creativity, a lot of brainstorming with our Nintex partner Hub Collab, we came up with a very novel approach where we defined a framework under which all the workflows could be developed, and we whittled it down by about 50% in doing that exercise.
Is it possible to have multiple drop-downs? Yeah, it's easy to do?
No, it's really easy to do. We can do it right now if you want.
That still left us with a massive migration to be done of 200 plus workflows, and that's where we involved what we call the power users.
I've been amazed how fast these people have learned how to use Nintex, and they became Nintex champion in about a week or two.
So the power users were and still are today our evangelists for Nintex.
We are just getting started with Nintex Mobile.
Changing from the old world to the new world is a real challenge, but for those who really accept and who succeed in this challenge, they really get the power of Nintex.
One of the big benefits of a tool like Nintex is that it's a very low-code, drag-and-drop type of environment that allows non-IT people to be very efficient in developing their own workflows and thereby digitize their own processes.
We are here in a chemical facility. Some of the most complex global processes are centered around the introduction of new products, new chemicals, and these are managed by Nintex today.
At SUEZ WTS, we manage about 7,000 different chemicals. We produce tailor-made product solutions for our customers in 14 different plants globally.
As an EMEA product quality leader, I am responsible to make sure that our customers receive the best quality of products from within SUEZ, and Nintex really helps us to track that and to make sure that this is done in the most efficient way.
So as a global process chemistry leader, if I have Nintex workflows which need an urgent approval, even when I'm spending time in the airport, I can just open them from my mobile phone, review the content, progress to the next steps.
One thing we like about Nintex as a company and the products that it offers is that Nintex thinks ahead to where the world is going. Whether it's the fact that people are on the move with a smartphone in their hand all day and not sitting behind the computer, Nintex has the tools and the capabilities to make that happen.
SUEZ is a global company, and to be able to build and support our processes, we need a global partner. And with Nintex, we found one.
SUEZ has a very ambitious strategy called Shaping 2030. The SUEZ 2030 strategy requires us to be simpler, be faster, be more innovative, and be basically world-class. That requires very strong processes, it requires a global mindset, and it requires the right tools to support these processes. We are convinced that Nintex is one of these tools that allows us to achieve these ambitious goals as a company.